Hi, friends. Today I'm going to share a medicine that will unstuck or release the phlegm that's stuck inside your throat or anywhere in your body. So, before I do that, I have to give full credit to my mom because this is my mom's recipe and it's really tasty. My kids love it, my husband loves it. So, each winter, just three things that I always like to keep in my kitchen. This is ginger. This is, even though you need lemons, I have lime. Lime will do. And the most important thing is honey. Indians use everything in their kitchen as medicines. So yes, at least that's what I've seen my mom doing it. So you need a pestle and grinder. You will find this in any Indian home. Every Indian home, I have to say. I believe this is the first thing I bought after I, yes, got married. I didn't know how to use it. Yes, honestly. But that was way back. But I did buy because I saw these things in my house, in my mother in law's place. So all you need to do is crush the ginger, okay? And in the pestle, you crush it so the juices start coming out. Then you cut the lime, in this case lime, but you, if lemons are available, that would be just ideal. So lemon juice, extract lemon juice, and honey, a tablespoon of honey. So if you're taking 1 tablespoon of honey, then take 1 tablespoon of juice, lime juice, and of course 1 tablespoon of ginger juice. Now all you need to do is mix these three and save it in a glass jar. I have some pretty glass jars at home. So what I do is every morning, as soon as my children are ready, some are ready to go to school, and then my husband, if at work, the first thing I do is, yes, of course, just a teaspoon. So I have this with me. This is very fancy. This teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of the juice, I give it to them. This is just to build immunity, and it works best when you have phlegm stuck in your throat or your sinusoidal points. Try it. And if you can't do it, just give me a buzz. I love you all. Bye bye.